Welcome to Furnace, guys. Well, we didn't get the swims that we wanted on Roman, so it was fully booked, so we've settled for Kiln. So we're in swims 11 and 12, and then tomorrow Ryan gets swim 13 when he turns up. But yeah, we'll get back to you later. I've had enough of this geezer now. 5 fish in like 20 minutes. He's here.
Who?
Oh, Bocking.
Bocking with the stocking. Oh, you got to wait already?
Good, it's done, yeah. It's done. It's done.
Done? I'm just practicing holding it.
Okay. So guys, last night Ryan had two cats out and lost. How many did you lose? You lost 2, didn't you?
Yeah.
Landed 2, lost 2. So happy days. He's had a few out. I'll put the pictures up now. So, but yeah, this is the next day. Let's see what today brings. The move is started. So what we've agreed that the rods can't come in till 3 o'clock because that's what time we got here. Oh, he's a knob, isn't he? He's just got one, look. So now he's had 31 fish out of that swim in 48 hours. So at 3 o'clock, it's my turn. Let's see what I get out. Oh, Ryan's getting the barbecue going. Happy days. Say hello to the viewers, Ryan.
You alright?
Carl, you could do better than that. Say hello to... I'm joking.
Yeah, take 2. Oh, hello there. Oh,
Go on.
no,
Go on.
you dickhead. Right, you got a lighter? I've got a seize.
Happy days, mate. What, eh? Go on, show them to the camera.
Special colt ones.
Go on, son. About £20 a burger, ain't there?
Yeah, there's about £10 a packet. Ready?
Yep, go on.
Dancing with it. Yeah.
Yeah, go on. So, guys, what we've done is me and my old man have swapped, like I said earlier. So now it makes it fair. So when we first turned up, I was in that swim, which Ryan was in. My dad was in that swim. And before Ryan come, I moved over to that swim to let Ryan fish this swim. And my old man's just been taking the piss with the amount of cats he's been having out. So what we've decided is to make it fair and to make a little competition out of it. But that's swapped into that swim for 24 hours. When Ryan goes tomorrow, he's then going to transfer to that swim. So then, over 4 days, we both would have fished that swim for 24 hours, that swim for 24 hours, and then this swim for 48 hours. So, my old man's on fish 35, I'm on fish 12 So let's have it. If it went on weight, people, then I'd be in the lead.
No, you wouldn't.
Fuck off.
It's quite long though.
Go for the camera. There you go. So the bigger ones are starting to come back. Happy days. And he's on again. Go on, the boy, just before he leaves. Ryan's leaving a little bit early today. He's got things to do. And look, he's in. Happy days.
Should we get in there or should we just let him drag it out of the bank?
No, get in there. Go on, you can be net boy.
I'll be net boy then.
Alright, we'll come back to you when Ryan's got this out of the water.
Here's my...
William, Ryan? Happy days, mate. Go on, slide it back. It's already out. Happy days. Well, guys,
Are we in kiln?
obviously you know we're a carp angler, so happy days. There we go. Happy days. Let's get this back. Carp, now cat. Nice little one. Nice decent size head on it. Oh, fourth one in half an hour. Look at that. Trying to eat your net. Happy days. Oh. Oh, let's get it back. On.
They're determined on that face, their determined look. Oh yeah, it's worth waiting for, Bill.
Oh, that one's got that.
In.
What colour that is?
Yeah, of course, I'll give you your double run, didn't I?
Yeah, all right, Bill. I'm going to have to walk a little way because Billy's on a double take here. Loses 5, now gets 2. You got it out yet?
Just round the line, it's grating.
It's a nice gentle pull, Bill. We're coming through that club.
Yeah, he's out. He's out.
That's it.
Wait, oh, my other fucking thingy.
What?
My other line.
No, you're on the, it's on the left rod, isn't it?
No.
Oh no, no, you're right. Okay, right. Bill, I'm going to go get my net.
Oh, that was scary, mate. I thought.
That weren't in long, was it, Bill? You might start picking up again there.
Now, guys, that's what you like to see right at the end of the session. Number uno, number dos. Happy days.
Happy days. Look at them two nice beauties gone. Have a little kiss, you two of you.
Oh, that's fun. That's it. Brilliant, Dad. It's the same one again, look.
Oh yeah.
One. 3 times you was caught, mate.
Here he is on his 912 fish.
What can I say, guys? Hopefully we get this one in.
Yeah, a lot of high 20s, early 30s coming out, aren't they?
Yep.
That's another one done.
In we go. Have it. Oh, rated in. Happy days, guys. Another one. Look at that. Let's get her back.
What's this, 4th in 10 minutes?
Maybe the competition's still alive, guys. Happy days. Hello guys, the old man's got another one in lead, so don't think it's going to be feasible for me to catch him up. But he's just done a lovely, lovely mirror. Looks like a proper golden mirror. It's lovely. But I'll put some pictures of it, up of it now. So yeah, there you go, look at that. That is lovely, that, isn't it? But yeah, it's not feasible for me to beat him. So I'm going to start packing up now, and I'm going to admit defeat. Hopefully I'll get another couple out before I go, but if I don't, I don't. But work starts from tomorrow. I've got a couple of hard weeks at work, and then I should be back on the bank again. I'm going to try and look for somewhere new to fish. So if you've got any suggestions, comment below. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe this video, guys. But yeah, I'll catch up with you in a bit, and let you know what the final score is. But that's it, guys. We're all packed down, ready to go home. We was 1 fish away from hitting 100 between us. What a gutter. Until next time, stay safe, tight lines, take care.